Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's shift to the gold market. In fact, currently there are many assets that carry very interesting possibilities for trading, including the gold, the euro currency, Japanese yen, Great British pound, and other assets. S&P futures also very interesting currently. There could be the bread and butter trade on the weekly time frame for those of you who trade the S&P. Well, but on the gold market, you can see that the market has hit a significant area. In fact, we have discussed this possibility on the daily time frame. This could be the butterfly, but personally, I do not suggest that it will be as fast as it has happened. So yesterday, I thought that market probably will reach only the 3618 minor support of this ABCD pattern here, and then we could, for instance, challenge these lows and turn to some consolidation. But take a look what has happened. Market, but by the just extremely huge plunge down, has hit simultaneously the 127 extension target of this butterfly and 100% extension of this pattern A, B, C top. Besides, you could see that this pattern is very harmonic. So the speed in terms of time is the same of these legs. What we could say about this butterfly? Butterfly is reversal pattern that is now formed when the market is extremely oversold on the monthly time frame. And from that point of view, we could count on some bounce to the upside. But since this is the reversal pattern, will it mean that probably market could turn to some really deep retracement to eliminate the oversold situation on the monthly time frame? That's the first question. The second question is, will market proceed lower fast or not? Well, speaking about the first problem is whether it will be significant reversal to the upside or not. I think that we should keep an eye on this low. That's near around 1320, 1330 area. Because that's a significant low, because it has appeared, as you can see, after the April huge all-time significant move plunge on the gold market. And usually these lows were very significant. The moment when the market leaves this range of trading is also significant. And from that perspective, if market will return right back above it, inside of this consolidation, that will probably lead it at minimum to the upper border. This could be really a medium-term reversal situation, and the market will show the deep retracement to the upside. That's why this level is very significant, because on the higher time frames, this will look like as the washing rings of these lows, especially on the monthly on the weekly time frame. If market will show just a retracement till that area, to the 1325, 1330 area, retest it from this low and turn to the downside, in this case we could be ready for downward continuation. Speaking about how market behaves by approaching to the target of this butterfly, in most cases when the market shows this really plunge down right to the 127 target, and when the market disrespects absolutely the 618 minor target of the ABCD pattern and proceeds right to the 100%, usually it leads to the continuation to the 1618 extension of the butterfly, or even to the 1618 extension of the ABCD pattern. That is also possible. You can see 1618 stands right here. Both of these targets, if you have read our long-term analysis of the weekly time frame, monthly time frame, stands around the all-time major 3/8 support area, is around 12 even. It's right here. So that will be just a superb support area. Well, and from that point of view, this butterfly takes absolutely special meaning, because that could be the reversal pattern right at the major all-time 3-8 support. That could trigger the bread and butter trade on the yearly chart that we have discussed in the beginning of the current year when we started to talk about the gold in the February. That was one of our first analysis of the really big picture. Now you understand that this really just not as simple as it looks like. So we should keep in mind this possibility, and because it could put the foundation for the overall action on the gold market. Also keep in mind that in the August the bullish trend, seasonal bullish trend, will start on the gold market. That could be really significant turnover. So we definitely should remember that. In the short-term perspective, since that significant support very close to the result, I can't exclude that market probably will retest an area around 1330 area. It's right here. From that standpoint, I think that we probably should start to search for possibility to enter long on for the scalp trading on the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? That's the level to watch for. That's previous swing low. 1330 major 3-8 resistance. The butterfly treats usually as worked properly if it hits at minimum the 30% retracement of its right wing. That's the swing of the right wing, and that's the 30% retracement. So that will be our minimum target. Probably market should hit with this potential retracement up. Now, how we could possess ourselves in this trade? Probably this will happen already on the next week, but let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Here we need some reversal pattern to see to enter long. Trend has shifted to the bullish side here. That's hourly time frame. Well, here I do not see any candlestick patterns, any butterflies, 3 drives, but here is possibility for head and shoulders pattern. So that could be the left shoulder, move down. By the way, I would like to measure how far the head stands. Well, you can see head stands precisely at the 1618 extension of this swing. That's very typical for head and shoulders pattern. Now, so market could probably proceed slightly higher, then it should show the 618 retracement, since gold market likes to show the 618 retracements, and that retracement should be to keep the harmony of this pattern. It's around 1280 area, 1285 probably, somewhere in this area. So that will be the level to watch for long entry with this pattern. The minimum target will be 3030. The stop should be placed below the head's low, below the 1269 area, 1270. Well, risk reward will be nice. That will be the short-term scalp trade on the intraday charts based on the daily reversal pattern. And after that, we will see what will happen, because 3030 area is the previous swing low on the daily time frame. This low, and depending how market will behave around it, will depend whether we will see the reversal to the upside or market will proceed lower. That will be the crucial point for the further perspective. But now let's be focused on this pattern. Also, guys, I have posted the thread that dedicated to the weekly survey for creating the sentiment index. So this week was really tough, and we will appreciate if you visit our forum and place your vote concerning your about your performance at the current week. Thus we could keep the work with the sentiment index that we have started 2 weeks ago. So welcome and vote there in the corresponding thread on the forum. Well, the situation on the gold market is really intriguing, as on the short term as on the long term perspective. So let's keep an eye on this development. Well, I hope that we will get our pattern and we will be able to create this, to place this high probability trade on the gold market.